Your monsters, I see your pain. Tell me your problems, I'll chase them away.
The Future of Financial Restoration. The Micromanager by Be Efficient Company. So what's new? Our 3 free courses: Money Basics, Credit Repair, and Lesser Known Things About Home Buying, and Setup and Crisis Management Appointments, and subscriptions. Growing up? Can't figure out where to start? Be Efficient's new free courses are just the thing for adulting. Whether you've just graduated from high school, college, or buying your first home or starting a family. Be Efficient Planning, because they grow up. Perhaps you're looking to buy that dream home. Be Efficient makes it easy to get prepared and stay on track, so your dreams don't become nightmares. Track factors that affect your FICO score, save for a deposit, budget for home expenses, so that your credit, down payment, and loan amount will be ideal. Setup or crisis management appointments, because not everyone is thrilled about organizing, so we offer setup services for your micromanager. Should you find yourself in the red or you're back against the wall, no problem. If we can't find a solution for you, we pay you your money back for the session. Subscriptions. Purchase a subscription to get tutorials on how to use your micromanager for maximum savings and efficiency. Access to live sessions monthly for question and answer sessions, including samples for questions posed by yourself and other subscribers. Videos will be available and labeled so that you can easily find solutions, or we will post it during or after the live session. Access our line of courses, including our adulting series and exclusive to subscribers financial restructuring series. All Be Efficient tools can be downloaded to our 2 GB USB business card that fits easily in your wallet for an additional $10. The Micromanager or Suite apps are available as a download or on a Be Efficient Company 2 GB USB business card. Thank you and enjoy your micromanaging. Click the web address to order.